Hello math learners, so for today's video we're going to continue our lesson 27 and that is all about the calculating measures of position. But this time, we are going to proceed in group data. So last video kasi ungroup pa lang yun, ngayon naka-group siya. The quartile divides the distribution into 4 equal parts. So quartile muna tayo ha. The steps in the computation of the median are also the same in the computation of quartile 1 and quartile 3. In finding the median, we need to determine the first median class. First, the median class rather. In the same manner, the quartile 1 and the quartile 3 class must be determined first before computing for the value of quartile 1 and quartile 3. The quartile 1 class is the class interval where the n over 4 score is contained, where the class interval that contains the 3n over 4 score in the quartile 3 class. In computing for the quartile of group data, the following formula is used. So K stands as the nth quartile, LB or the lower boundary of the of the Q sub K class, N is the total frequency. This is the cumulative frequency before the QK class. FQK such as the frequency of the QK class. I is the size of class interval. Remember the formula for quartile. This is it. Pansit. Basta this is it. Calculate the quartile 1, 2, and 3 of the math test scores of 50 students. So this is the following frequency. 5, 4, so as you can see, for the first quartile 1 class, so N, so you're going, N, so ang total po niya hanggang 50. Okay, less than cumulative frequency. Here's your first quartile class, 12.5, 12. Ito muna, medyo nakakalito. So, locate the position of your quartile 1 class using the cumulative frequency column. So, paano po ba muna natin nakuha yung lower boundary? So, ganito po yan. Ma-minus nyo lang po siya sa 0.5. Ito, yung lowest nyo ha. So, mapapansin nyo ito, 40.5, 36.5. Ngayon, paano po nagkaroon ng cumulative frequency? Di ba, nagsimula ka dito, so 10, so lagay mo yan 10. Paano po yung kasunod? How about the next one? So 10 plus 8, rather I will use a highlighter instead. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 18 plus 15 is equal to 33. 33 plus 8 is equal to 41. 41 plus 4 is equal to 45. 5 plus 5 is equal to 50. Your highest is 50. The total one. So, you got the 12.5 score. So, yung 12.5 nyo ay nandito. From 10 to 18. That is between. So that means your quartile 1 is here. From 11 to 18. Okay, next. Locate the other data needed to solve for the first quartile. So 20.5. Your lower boundary. Okay, ngayon, since nahanap na natin yung quartile 1, so go your lower boundary, yung katapat, yung buong katapat nito, teka. So, let's stand your quartile 1. Gamitan natin siya ng highlighter. Your quartile 1, so this is your quartile 1, tama? So, dito kayo ngayon magpo-focus for your quartile 1. So, 20.5 is your lower boundary and 10 your cumulative before the first class. And quartile 1 is 8 your frequency in quartile 1 class. Okay? And your I, yung 5, is your class interval. So, paano po natin nakuha yung 5? Okay, ano po yung class interval? So, yung ilan ba to? 41 to 45, tigli 5 yan, di ba? Kaya, yun po yun. So, substitute all the given data in the formula. Wait a minute. Nawawala yung ito. So, ito na yon, di ba? So, your 12.5 and then your cumulative frequency and your your class interval nyo 8 plus 20.5. So, your quartile 1 is 22.06. Therefore, 25% of the students get a score less than or equal to 22.6 score. Next, your second quartile. So, haba agad, no? First quartile. So, ngayon naman, 2. The median. So, 50. So, ayan, 25th score. Locate the position. So, that is between from 19 to 33. So, this is your quartile 2. Okay? So, locate the position using the less than CF column. You are going to find lower boundaries is 25.5. Your what is EE? So your cumulative frequency before the quartile 2 class. If that is between 18 to before. And your frequency of quartile 2 is to 15. Dito ka naman kay babasa. Pag cumulative, yung before. Okay, ganun lang. Your frequency, okay, malilit. Your frequency here. Cumulative, yung before. Yung frequency, dito na kayo babasa. And your class interval, so sabi natin 5 lang. So, substitute all the given data in the formula. So, you have 25, yung yung term. Kung nasaan yung quartile 2. Your cumulative is 18. So, your frequency is 15. Lower boundary. So, now, add them all. And, so, ibig sabihin that is 50% of the student got a score less than or equal to 27.83. Now, ngayon naman, quartile 3. So, nandito. That is between 34 to 41. Now, find the quartile 3 class. Ito na yun. So, your lower boundary. So, ito, dito na kayo umano. Your class interval, ilan? 5. So, 33, 8, 5. Fourth, substitute, and this is it. Your third quartile is 33.31, falls within the class boundaries of 31 to 45, which is 3.5 minus 35. 2 rather. 2, 3.35.5. Now, proceed naman tayo ngayon sa deciles of group data. Deciles are those values of the variables that divide the total frequency into 10 equal parts. The kth decile denoted by d sub k is computed as follows. Here, lower boundaries as usual, so total frequency and your cumulative frequency. Ganun lang din kung paano natin yung sa first sa quartile rather. Calculate the 8 deciles of the math test scores of 50 students. Now, paano nyo po siya kinompute? The 8 decile, so as usual mo kung paano po natin siya hinanap. So mula 5, so 5 plus 12, 17 plus 9, 26 plus 5, 31 plus 12, 43 plus 7, 50. So 8 times 50, so ito yung formula nyo, paano nyo hahanapin yung 8 deciles over 10. So it has, okay, 80 times 50 is 400 divided by 10, that is 40. So tama lang, so the 40th score. between 32 to 43. Find first the location of your 8th decile. Medyo masakit lang talaga sa ulo. Ito na, na-compute ko na. So, class interval is from 41 to 45. So, at your lower boundary is 40.5. Cumulative frequency is 31. So, nakabasa na tayo sa lane. Ito. So, 31. Yung before, saka yung 12. So, look, the value of is between 40.5 to ito yun, from 40 ito between. Kaya malilito kung bakit po may decimal kinakita. The lower boundaries po sila kumuha. Okay. So, ganyan po ang natin. Since 8 decile ang hinanap natin, then 40 ang result, then 31. Hindi nyo na siguro kailangan pagsabay-sabay. Kinompute po natin sila separately. Kaya, di na ganun masyado kahirap makompute yung measure of position with a group data. Okay. So, yun lang. So, class interval nyo is 5. So, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So, 5 lang. Kaya, yun. Or the value of it is 5 in short. So, that means the 8th decile is equivalent of 80th percentile. Therefore, 80% of the students get a score less than or equal to 44.25. Percentile of group data. So, dapat pala mag-guess nyo itong sa data na to. Kasi, pag di nyo nag-guess yan, patay kayo sa statistical research. Yung iba sigurong lesson pa dito ay i-continue ko na sa statistics and probability subject ko. Na makikita nyo rin naman sa playlist ko dito sa YouTube or sa website ko. So, proceed tayo dito. Percentiles are used to characterize values according to the percentage below them. For example, the first percentile separates the lowest 1% from the another 99%. Then the second one is 2% and the other is 98% and so on. The kth percentile denoted by P sub k is computed as follows. So, kanina kasi over 10, over 4, ngayon naman ito over 100. So, as usual, kung ano lang po yung binanggit ko kanina. Illustrative example, calculate the 65th percentile and 34th percentile of the math test. So, this is your 65th and this is your 34th. So, I'm here, 17th. Here, that is between. So, ngayon, first locate your 65th percentile class and your 34th class. So, we have 34.5 score. So, interval. So, your 5th sub 65 and this is your 30.5. Okay, kahit hindi ko na siguro banggitin. So, your lower boundaries ay bumase na naman po tayo dito sa charts. Ganon din sa kabila. So, kung nabilisan kayo, pwede niyo na may post yung video. Therefore, 34% of the student gets a score less than or equal to 30.50 or 30.5. So, I think this is the end of our lesson. And next video, I'm going to discuss our final lesson, and that is all about the statistical mini research.